Welcome to Yellowstone. Just past the ranger station, they had several roads that are still closed. One being Beartooth Mountain.
Beartooth Pass?
Beartooth Pass, yeah. And I know when we did that, going to the sun, when we did the $1 Million Highway we just did coming out of Colorado, several of you mentioned that Beartooth Pass, and it's closed, so we're not going to be taking that, but it would be crazy. So anyway, we're not going to take that this time. Several roads are closed. We still got snow in areas, kind of still before season. So
I've been through here on a motorcycle, but it's been about 15 years ago.
Yeah.
20, that's longer than that.
Yeah.
20 years ago.
It's so pretty though. Just stopped and saw Old Faithful.
Fairly faithful.
We're semi-faithful. We actually didn't know how long it would take. Apparently about 90 minutes right now in between.
Well, when I was a kid, I remember it was like roughly every half hour, and it sounds like over the years it's slowly
gotten longer and longer.
Yeah, the time is longer and longer, but it was still pretty cool.
It was so cool. Check it out. Crowds aren't super crazy. They're kind of crazy for us, but we hit this like
midweek before Memorial Day.
Yeah,
still too many people.
Just before Memorial Day, so we barely made it. But and we've had a lot of construction, actually.
And a lot of the access roads, some of the campgrounds, trails are still snow packed and not open.
Oh so. Yeah, there's a lot that's closed for sure.
Which way?
Right. Yeah, sorry.
No wildlife yet.
Not a single wildlife.
But
it's been crazy.
We will.
Yeah, we will. Okay. Keeping my eyes peeled.
We got wildlife right between us.
Yeah, it's the only wildlife we need. Bison! No sooner than I said we're not seeing any wildlife than that we saw some bison.
Walking across the river.
So cool.
Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam.
We snagged a camp spot, shocking, because some of the campgrounds were closed inside Yellowstone. This is just north of the west junction of Yellowstone, and this is Baker.
It's a couple miles north of West Yellowstone.
Yeah.
All right.
This is, what's the name of the campground?
Baker's Hole.
Baker's Hole, that's what I was trying to get at. Anyway, got a nice spot. It has electric hookup.
Open air for our Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
In the last 2 months since we put the Starlink on, we've only had one campground where we couldn't get any reception for our Starlink.
Mm-hmm. It was too treed.
Yeah, even if you had the type that the older RB that's not the permanent mount, there was no place close enough to even get that. So yeah, it's working awesome for us. So
yeah.
We can watch Pistol on the YouTube tonight if you want. Yes, we could.
So we're gonna be heading northwest. We're gonna check in with Dave's family in Montana, and then we're gonna go into northern Idaho. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll see you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.